This is MD Salauddin from Chittagong University of Engineering and Technology. The title of my poster is Effects of Gamma and Neutron Irradiation on the Structural, Electrical and Dielectric Properties of Cobalt Copper Cadmium Nanoparticles. In nanoscale, spinal ferrites are being attraction with nanoscience's latest epoch due to the fact that the events enhanced properties of physical nature are associated to Bach counterparts of them. The possibility of preferring ferrites in the form of nanoparticles has opened a new and exciting research field with the revolutionary applications not only in the electronic technology but also in the field of biotechnology. In crystalline size, in monodisperse macrostructures is usually approximated from extra diffraction patterns and grain size by other experimental techniques like transmission electron microscopy and the phase analysis. The patterns of XRD for cobalt copper cadmium nanoferrites with and without gamma radiation and neutron irradiation are revealed the single phase of spinal for all samples. In another function, a slight increase is noticed in the lattice constant at irradiated ferrite samples for the directed gamma rays and neutron particle dominant effects with external electrons from iron, where the conversion of larger size ferrous from the smaller ferric. In Rydberg constants, in this investigation, the refinement of Rydberg method is performed with the help of a full flop suite software. The refinement process of all samples show best fitted curve between observed and calculated data. In dielectric, it is also reveals the slight increase after both types of irradiation process. In dielectric loss spectra, the position of the peak shift towards the region of low frequency as the dose of irradiation of both types increase. In electric modulus, real and imaginary parts of a slight increase is seen at first in the region of low frequency, and then significant increase is seen up to a certain value in the region of high frequency for the unirradiated and irradiated samples with different dose. But an imaginary part, a slight increase is seen at first in the region of low frequency, and then significant increase is seen up to a certain value in the region of high frequency, and after that a significant decrease, then a certain value in the region for the unirradiated and irradiated samples with the different dose. The dominant properties issued at electric stiffness by the Kolkol float or Kolkol semicircular formation before and after the dose of irradiations. And finally, it is easily concluded that very high gamma rays irradiations and neutron irradiation enhance the magnetization and resistivity of cobalt copper cadmium ferrite. Impedance analysis two semicircles can be evident in the plots with the impedance as electrical properties. First semicirculars is evident due to the grain boundary resistance, while the second one is due to the grain resistance or bulk resistance. And in some case, a third very small semicircles can be evident due to the electrode or interference contribution at sufficient lower frequency. And this is my first presentation, and thanks to all. Thank you very much.